Hi everyone, my name is Kelly. Today I'm going to show you how to do a rosary. This is one of my favorite helium balloon design that I've been doing for years when we go to Midland for our anniversary every year. And today I'm going to show you how it's done. So what you will need is some ropes, okay, scissors. I'm using the 260 to do the cross, and you definitely need some white round 5-inch small balloon, right? And then so this is the Q-link balloon, so you can see how you can tie them together, and it is pale blue color. So it comes in a package of 50, and we'll get started. First, you are going to need a helium tank. So we will be blowing about 65 balloons. So the Q-link look like this. So it has a both end tie. So the one that I'm using now is the pale blue in the 12-inch Q-link. So you're gonna blow up about 55 of these Q-link balloons to make the rosary. And then I'm gonna show you how to make the cross afterwards. So the important thing about string, it doesn't matter how long it is. Basically, it's how high you want the balloon to fly. So I'm just going to tie the rope onto the helium balloon just so that I can hold onto the balloon for me. So make sure you tie this really well. If not, the balloon will fly away. So the important thing about helium is that how you blow up the helium. So here's the hose. Make sure you put the open end inside, all the way inside. A lot of time, if you're not used to using helium, you're going to press really hard and you're going to poke through the balloons. So just make sure that you have the opening all the way in to the wider circle, and you're going to hold tight onto the opening and just press it down lightly. Go slowly, because if you go too hard, the air will go right through the balloon. You're going to pop your balloon. So small, soft pressure. So like that. So what I do, just to make it easier, I'm going to tie it into the string. So incorporate the string in the tying. Balloon within the string, so you can see how it's starting to fly up now. Just going to hold on to that. Again, the open end right here, put it inside, all the way inside, so that you're not blowing like this. Because if you were to press the helium like this, you're going to make poke through, and I had mine poke through many times. So all the way in, hold that, press down on the helium hose. So the way to tie the balloon, two ends, put it together like this, cross over, make an X, and then just tie it again. So make sure you tie it really tight, okay? And then you're going to continue that for the rest of the 55 balloons. So you are going to need 55 of these, okay? So just be careful that you hold the balloon really tight so it doesn't fly away. That's why it's very helpful to have the string. Now, once you finish the last balloon, you're going to go back to the beginning, which is here. So you're going to count 5. So this was the beginning one. So you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to tie. Make sure you double tie it really well. And then from now, we're going to use the white round balloon, okay? So I'm going to make 4 of them, like this. The important thing is try to get them even size, okay? Tie them together. So you're going to need 4 of these. and try to have them as even as possible. Okay? Tie them together. I'm used to this, so I'm holding it, but if you're not used to it, you can put it between your arms to hold on to it. So once you have to, you're going to crisscross them 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Then you see where the mark of the 5th one is right here. You are going to put the balloons in like this and then wrap it 1, 2, 3 times. So it lies like this. Okay? And then for every 10, you are going to put the same thing like this. So the cross, I'm using the 260 long balloon, okay? So I'm going to need 2 and 1. So first, you can just blow it 1 and do it, but I'm going to do like a twisted cross. So again, this, you can put it in here, okay? Just hold it and you can also blow it with the helium. So tie them together like this. Just exactly how you tie the rosary. So from here, you're going to hold it like this. And so an easier way is to put it between your legs if you want to, so that you have something to hold and you can just twist it like this. Okay? So just basically over, 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 over. Or you can hold it like this and you can just I'm just going to attach it to this. Okay. So put this in between the two, and then just do a knot again. Like that. And then here, I'm just going to wrap the string around. So that is how you do the rosary balloon. If you find that this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and help me raise awareness against human trafficking and child sex slavery. Until next time, bye everyone. Thank you.